Namaste children, welcome to RiyRey. In today's video we will learn chapter number 13, So Many Toys, from your mathematics textbook Joyful.
So many toys. Look at the picture and find the number of different toys. So look carefully at the picture and count the toys. So first one is elephants. How many elephants are here in the picture? Yes, let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4. So 4 elephants are here in this picture. Next one is teddy bears. How many teddy bears can you see here? Yes, 1, 2, 3. 3 teddy bears. Then next one, cars. How many cars are here? Only 1 car. Last one is dolls. How many dolls are there in this picture? Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 5 teddy bears are here, or 5 dolls are here. Complete the following sentence by using more than, less than, or equal to. The number of dolls is dash the number of cars. Are there more dolls or cars? Yes, there are more dolls because there is only 1 car. So the number of dolls is more than the number of cars. B. The number of elephants is dash the number of dolls. So which one is more, dolls or elephants? How many dolls are here? 5. And how many elephants are here? 1, 2, 3, 4. So the number of elephants is less than the number of dolls. Next one, the number of teddy bears is dash the number of elephants. How many teddy bears are here? 1, 2, 3. So this is again less than the number of elephants. Next one, the number of cars is dash the number of teddy bears. Is it less than or more than? How many cars are here? We can see only 1 car here. So the number of car is less than the number of teddy bears. So we will write less than. Next, colorful flowers. Name the color of the flowers which you see mostly in a garden. Which flower you can see mostly in the gardens? Yes, in most of the gardens we can see rose. So what is the color? It could be of different color, red, pink, or white. Look at the pictures of colorful flowers and write the number of flowers. Blue flowers. How many blue flowers are here in this picture? Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5. Next one, orange flowers. How many big orange flowers are here? 1, 2, 3, 4. So we'll write 4 here. Next, small red flowers. How many red flowers we can see? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Then purple flowers. How many purple flowers are here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Next, name the color of the flower which are least in number. So which flower is least in number? Yes, orange. Orange flowers are least in number. So we'll write orange here. Name the color of the flower which are most in color. That is red flowers. How many are there? Yes, 9. So we'll write red here. True or false? Number of red flowers is more than the blue flowers. Is it true or false? Yes, it's true. Next, number of orange flowers is less than the purple flowers. Is it true or false, this statement? Yes, this is true again. Next, project work. Make a card with a border of colorful flowers. This you can make. Second one, find out in your class how many children have 3 letters in their names, how many children have 4 letters in their names, and how many children have more than 4 letters in their names. This also you can find out from your class. Well done children. Today we learned how to look carefully, count toys, and compare numbers. We used words like more than, less than, and equal to describe what we see. Counting helps us understand numbers better and makes maths fun. Keep practicing counting around you, your toys, books, or even fruits at home. Great job, and see you in the next lesson.